Mobility means freedom of movement. It's improved and maintained through stretching and balance exercises. Stretching has three present benefits that lead to being well now and in the future. Stretching releases tension. The stretch you feel is really a slight muscle contraction. That releases the ready to move tension that builds up in a stress state. That means you are redirecting energy to healing and renewal. Over time, that repeated muscle contraction strengthens muscles and connective tissue through their fullest range of motion. Stretching reduces inflammation by helping your lymphatic system move cellular waste, thus lowering inflammation in your body. And stretching restores elasticity of your connective tissue so you are ready to move with less strain and more ease right away, especially when you have to move quickly, like when you lose your balance. Balance exercises have present benefits of keeping your nerve cells connected with your muscle cells in a way that strengthens the nerve pathways that sense when you're off balance and your ability to react quickly to catch yourself before falling. Mindfulness is the ability to shift your attention back to the present moment with curiosity and kindness. It has the present benefit of starting the journey from the stress state back to the well state. We don't have near as much research on stretching as we do other types of exercise, and most of the research is done on athletes, not meant for those of us who are exercising to be healthy and well. Newer research is emerging, however, that gives us great insight into what's really happening on a cellular level when you stretch, giving us more information about the present moment health and well-being benefits of stretching for your whole person. However, it's taking time to replace what we used to think about stretching. The word stretching implies that you're making muscles longer, which is not what's happening when you're stretching. But this idea has us stretching individual muscles like hamstrings and thinking we need to push to make those tight muscles longer when we're stretching. Balance exercises imply that the goal is to stay in perfect balance. Yet living with gravity in a body that walks around on 2 feet means you're going to fall out of balance. It's normal. But this goal of balancing makes this type of exercise very frustrating. Rethink stretching as a way to shift your physiology from the stress state to the well state. Rethink balance exercises as a way to build trust in your body, that it's hardwired to keep you safe right now. The Mobility Moves template gives you a way to know what to do for mobility to free your movements in a balanced yet very simple way. Adding mindfulness to mobility movements gives your whole person what it needs in the stress state to shift back to the well state. Your thoughts come back to the present, your body releases muscle tension, and recalling your core why makes this an act of self-care so your whole person can rest well now.